Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. So today I am bringing you this easy, gorgeous, sexy makeup look. It is perfect, so it's going to be my eye tutorial. I will be bringing back just eye tutorials. I hope you guys love this look. Now let's jump right into it. I am setting my concealer base, you guys, so I'm just applying some powder and I'm using the Dream palette Sigma with Beauty Bird, you guys. This is a gorgeous palette. It has every shade that you need, mattes and shimmers, and I am starting with Taco and Chill, just drawing out my crease. Just look at your eye and just see where you would put your crease. Just take your time and do it slowly. As you guys can see, I do it above my normal crease since my eyes are small, girl. So I am going to just blend it right here, taking my time, just nice and gently in a swiping motion so it can look bomb diggity. I usually use concealer for this step, but I've been doing it with micellar water. It is much better. Girl, how come you have not told me? It's just cleaner and perfect. So just cleaning it up with micellar water. Now with the shade Woof Woof, I am doing a small wing, you guys, bringing it in and outwards, really nice and thin and defined. And for the main color, girl, this one is called Maya. It is just gorgeous, beautiful. It is the it color. It is perfect for spring. It is just so creamy and pigmented. I am adding Fearless just to smoke out that lash line. And then I am also going to be adding Woof Woof under my lash line to smoke it out. These names are so freaking cute, you guys. And then adding Maya again in my inner corner to elongate my eyes and making it look nice and foxy. Adding a couple coats of my favorite mascara by Revlon, the Big Bad Lash. My lashes, and there you guys have it. I hope you guys love this look. By the way, the lashes are from Ardell. This look is just gorgeous, easy to create. I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video for more like this. Hit the notification bell so I can see you again next time. So I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.